Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be excited about managing your Shiba Inu (SHIB) tokens more flexibly. Today, we're breaking down how to seamlessly send SHIB from Uphold to Revolut. This is a straightforward process, but as always with crypto, stay cautious to avoid any hiccups. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both an Uphold account with your SHIB tokens and a Revolut account that supports cryptocurrency transfers. In 2025, Revolut has expanded its crypto offerings, so this should be a breeze. Start by logging into your Uphold app or website. Navigate to your wallet section and select your SHIB holdings. You'll see an option to withdraw or send, click that. Next, you'll need the Revolut wallet address for SHIB. Open your Revolut app, go to the Crypto tab, and find your SHIB wallet. Copy the deposit address carefully, it's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Paste this address into the "to" field in Uphold. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy, crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any network fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to improved blockchain tech, but they can still add up. Once you're ready, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Review it one last time before approving. After the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your Revolut account, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, you can use it for spending, trading, or just holding. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets secure. And there you have it. That's how you send SHIB from Uphold to Revolut in 2025. This method keeps your crypto journey simple and efficient. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.